Your CBSE Maths board paper is not a guessing game. It's a map. Here's how to read it. And turn those marks into a study plan you can actually finish. Class 10. Mathematics, Standard 041 and Basic 241, has the same course structure: 80 marks of written paper plus 20 marks of internal assessment. The 80 written marks split across 7 units: Number System 6, Algebra 20, the biggest share, Coordinate Geometry 6, Geometry 15, Trigonometry 12, Mensuration 10, Statistics and Probability 11. Algebra is a quarter of the paper, 20 of 80 marks. Practice proportionally, but never skip a unit. Every unit is prescribed, and every unit is part of the official syllabus. The smaller units still add up. 6 plus 6 plus 15 plus 12 plus 10 plus 11. That's 60 marks outside algebra. 3/4 of the paper lives outside your biggest unit. Study the whole map. Standard and Basic are separate courses, separate papers. In Standard, 43 for remembering and understanding, 19 for applying, 18 for analyzing and creating. In Basic, Chapter 60, 12, 8. Check your subject code. That official split means questions come at different levels. Some need recall. Some need you to apply a formula to a new situation. Some need reasoning. Practice all 3, not just the easy ones. Remember the full picture. 80 written plus 20 internal assessment, pen paper tests, multiple assessment, portfolio, lab practicals, part of your plan too. Here is the cycle that turns the map into marks. Learn, practice, attempt a timed paper, repair your errors, then repeat, with a smaller list every round. Step 1. Learn the idea from the NCERT textbook. The concept first, then the worked examples. Understanding beats memorizing, because the paper rewards reasoning. Step 2. Practice. Do the textbook exercise, then a few fresh variations. Work line by line, draw and label figures, and keep your arithmetic checkable. Step 3. Attempt an official sample or past paper under timed conditions. Mark questions you are confident about, and use internal choice strategically, not as an excuse to leave a topic unprepared. Step 4. Repair. Log every error by unit. A repeated error in one unit tells you exactly where to rebuild. Then the next cycle starts with a shorter list. Before you go, quick retrieval. Which unit needs a concept rebuild? Which needs timed practice? And what is the one action you will complete this week? Pause, answer, and pick that one action. The board paper rewards honest work, not lucky guesses. Open the ChapterReady Mathematics library and start with your first week unit. We'll see you at the next chapter.